ACWA Power is a global leader in the energy transition, the world's largest private water desalination company and a pioneer in green hydrogen. We are committing to powering the world responsibly. Our focus is on delivering solutions that support net zero goals and long-term climate ambitions. Azerbaijan is a strategic country for us, enabling our contribution to the energy transition across Central Asia and Europe.
ACWA Power is proud to meaningfully contribute to the sustainability journey that COP29 is bringing to Azerbaijan. We are currently in the active stage of construction of our 240 MW Khizi-Absheron wind project here in Azerbaijan.
This project is the biggest wind farm in Azerbaijan as well as in all Caucasian region. After commissioning, our wind farm will generate 900 gigawatts per year of clean electricity and saves 400,000 tons of carbon dioxide per year.
This partnership with COP29 allows us to share our expertise in sustainable energy and water solutions, engage in meaningful dialogue, and drive initiatives that align with international climate goals. Our future projects aim to accelerate the transition to a low-carbon economy, decarbonize the Global South, and ensure a sustainable legacy for generations to come.